friends, how are you doing? I'm going to show you new pattern which is very new, and it's like crochet which we are going to do on the needles. So you can take any numbers of stitches. I have taken here 20 stitches to show you. 2 I will leave here and 2 I will leave here. Right side and wrong side all knitting. This is the 4th row. Let's start the pattern. So I finished the 4th row after knitting. Now we are coming to the right side of the pattern. I will leave 2 stitches here in the beginning and 2 at the end. 2 here. Rest we will use for the pattern. So for the pattern I need to knit all the stitches by folding twice. The thread folding twice like this. Your hand should be a bit loose. So 1, 2, I will knit all folding the thread twice on the needle. One, two, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So we will knit all the stitches by giving 2 fold to each stitch, and last 2 we will knit without giving the fold. So 2 for the edges. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So now 2 are left. We'll knit as it is. The first 2 stitch we will knit or purl anything. Now we will open all the stitches and knit it. We will purl it. So open this stitch, put it here. You can open few stitches together or you can open one by one, up to you. Now we will take it back on this. These are 3 and this is the 4th one. So I will knit this one. Yeah, we will knit the full row and pull it. Now again knitting the next. And pull this one. So that it is knitted well at the right place. These 4. So all we have to knit. Again opening. These 3, 2, 3. So we'll knit. This will come like this. 2, 3. So again opening and knitting. Open and knit. It looks like crochet pattern. Yeah, you have to pull this way. 1, 2, 3. So take it back or knit one by one, up to you. Pull this one. Again the next one. This is the last folded stitch, and now the two normal knitting. We will knit as normal. We come to the back side. This is the front side. So front side, instead of knitting, we will purl so that we can get the same pattern here. So we will purl all the stitches. Instead of purl, we will knit here. We will knit this row, full row. We go to the third row, which is right side. So instead of knitting, we will purl this row. This is the wrong side, so we won't purl, we will knit this side. So knit all the stitches. These 4 rows are finished. Now we will start with the same net row. So it is like this. So again we will start with the same, this one. We will take 2 stitches, knit 2 stitches, then the third one, start folding 1, 2, by fold twice, again 1, 2. Now we go to the second row of this, where we have to open these folded stitches and same time knitting. So these 2 edge stitches we will knit and then open the first one, second one, third, fourth. I will take it back here, and now I will knit this one this way. Three, four, down, and these 2. So this is the right side of the pattern. Instead of knitting, we will purl all the stitches. So purl all the stitches. 1, 2. The right side. Now first row finished and the second row from the wrong side. So from the wrong side we won't purl, we will knit. So after the net we have finished 2 rows. So this is the right side of the pattern. Here we put 4 rows. Here we can put 4 or 6 rows, up to you. You can go with the same 4 4 4 4 for this look, or you can make as 6. I put 2 only. I will make 2 more. Purl all the stitches. Purl all the stitches. The 4th row, which is wrong side, and we won't purl, we will knit this side. We will knit all the stitches. 4th row is finished. This is the back side, and this one is the front side. So after this you can use any border of your choice. Then you put the net by folding the thread twice, then 4 rows, then net. Complete the net, starting the net from right side by folding each stitch, and then on the wrong side opening the thread and knitting same time. Knit the stitch, not purl, because when you will knit the stitch it will come this like this pattern here. So in this I have used here 4 rows, and here 6 rows, here 4 rows, then 6 rows, then 4 rows. Up to you, you can use as 4 rows only or 6 rows in the full. So this is the front side and this is the back side. You can put the stitches according to your requirement. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.